Hey guys, it's Stacy.
Let's get right into the video. So as y'all can see, my edges look a hot mess. Yuck. But I'm going to do my edges because I just wanted to show that. But if you don't want to watch me do my edges, just keep scrolling and you can get right into the video. So boom, the first hairstyle is just a nice simple deep side part with my hair just down. So, you know, nothing too complicated, but super cute. Hairstyle number 2 is just a nice simple half up half down pony. So I honestly just take the two pieces like at the very top of my head and take it and just wrap it around until I make a ponytail, and just tuck it in, keep wrapping until you can't, and then just find a nice secure place to tuck it in, and boom, it's gonna be secure for the whole day, I promise you. Hairstyle number 3 is also really simple. It's just another version of the half up half down pony. Just turn that pony into a bun, just wrap and wrap until you can't no more, and then just tuck. Honestly, you're gonna see with this video, the trick is tucking. With these locks, they're really natural and have their own grip, so tucking is your best friend. No hair ties needed, like I said. This next hairstyle is super cute. You can go from looking real basic to real classy real quick, you know. Basically, you're just flat twisting on your head, grabbing hair as you go and just twisting along your head. Then I take a piece like near my ear or two pieces and I tie it behind my head. Just make a simple knot and I just tie it around behind my head. Yep. This is one of my favorite hairstyles, the high pony. It seems so simple, but it makes such a big difference. Like, it's like a statement hairstyle. Like, I don't know, something about your hair just being pulled all the way back. But basically, I just take hair, like 4 or 5 pieces from the back of my head, whatever feels secure, and I just throw my head forward and I wrap and I adjust in the front a little bit while my head is down, just to make sure all the hair is laid down flat in the front. And I keep wrapping and like I said, tucking. Tucking is the trick. And also another trick is just to take one random long strand and just wrap it around just to secure it. Oh, this hairstyle is so cute. I don't know why I never do it though. But after I saw this, I was like, oh yeah, we up, because it's mad cute. So basically just take about 6 braids. You don't want to take too many because you don't want your bun to be heavy. And twist the hair itself like I'm doing right now. Twist it by itself before you twist up and go into a bun. And you don't want to grab too much hair when you do these because it'll put too much pressure on your hairline. And y'all, I'm about to cheat. Just watch. I know I said no hair ties, but I really did not need one. I really didn't. I just did it to for showcasing purposes. But yeah, super cute. If you know me, you know I love this next hairstyle. It's so simple and it's so cute. You could just up, you just it down. It's just so cute. So basically grab a chunk from like the side of your head, going in whatever direction you want your bang to go to, and you grab that and you hold on to that bang piece, and you take those faux locks, and you just wrap it around the hair, the rest of the hair you have in the back of your head or in the rest of your head, and just keep tying and tying around. And then you can take a random lock and just tie it around just to secure it, basically. And this style is also very, very cute with some box braids. This style is also really cute and really simple. It's kind of just like the first one, but with no side bang. So you just want to start off with 2 pieces at the front of your head, and then you want to take these 2 pieces, make sure you keep track of them, and cross them over each other underneath the rest of your hair. Just do a nice, just switch places with them, basically switch from one piece to the other hand. And then you want to go upwards over the hair, the ponytail that you have, kind of, and you want to tie a knot at the top and then just pull and secure it over the hair, and then boom. Y'all, I used to do this style all the time. It's so cute with box braids. I used to do this all the time with my box braids. So basically, you want to start off with your bang again. You don't have to make your bang go in this direction. I just make my bang go in this direction. Honestly, just take as many pieces of hair from the side of your head as you feel secure. Then you take that same bang and you're gonna hold it under your chin, secure under your chin, just to get a nice hold on it so it doesn't slip away. Then you want to take some random pieces from the back of your head, and similar to the high pony or all the other ponies, take that hair and just tie it around to make a ponytail. And then you take the bun and then wrap that upwards, just a normal bun as you would do. And then take like you see, I take random long pieces and just wrap them around just to secure it. So then you take your bang and then you want to wrap upwards and then just wrap it into the bun and make it part of the bun, basically. And then I look cute. Okay. But yeah, I love this hairstyle. So this next one is just basically another rendition of the last one, the bun. So just take the bun down, but keep that like ponytail base that you started with, and boom. This is probably the easiest hairstyle in this whole video. And everybody and their mama knows this hairstyle. Just take 2 pieces from the temples of your head and just tie a knot in the back and tighten it. And then just adjust your hair, lay it flat, fix it, and boom. Super simple. This is the last hairstyle, y'all. Yay! For this hairstyle, you're gonna need a scarf, and you're gonna take all your hair and pull it to the front of your face. Then you want to take your scarf, open it, and then tie it underneath your hair, so in front of your hair. And you want your hair to be in the middle, just like this. And then you're gonna tie a knot and secure it, and boom. Then if you want to, you could pull it back and then tie another knot in the back. And yeah, so cute.